Create your e-learning course to grab your learners' attention faster. Okay, a general question. How do you capture attention? The answer is much more straightforward than you may think. There is a particular algorithm that runs in your brain. Whenever you see something, to effectively process the huge amounts of information absorbed every second, the brain imposes several control measures. This starts with the prioritization of different types of stimuli, a process that controls what information to ignore and what to recognize and how much concentration to give to particular elements. If it seems useful, your attention is theirs and you naturally react. So the first one, audience. Everything you see, books, magazines, blogs, etc., has been catered to the ideal reader. This means that before creating anything, the writer has thought of the person on the other side. Why are they interested in reading this? What do they want? What are their problems? E-learning is no different. To organize your e-learning content in a way that grabs your audience attention, you need to have the understanding of the following, like who your audience is, what they want to learn or why are they here, how receptive they are, what format do they prefer, what will lure them in aesthetically. If you know who your audience is, you can make informed decisions rather than placing something in your course and wait to see if it works. Additionally, if you know the who, you understand their why. Knowing the learner and their goals will go a long way. Second, attention span. We are all very aware that we live in a time of information overload. Attention spans are one of the biggest challenges every e-learning designer faces when creating an e-learning course. But aside from being busier these days, people are also smarter. Having so much content around us have made people smarter about when they are being baited by material. Content has to be good and genuine to get the attention levels and engagement that creators are hoping for. Depending on the format that you have chosen to deliver your content, you should consider the amount of time people are going to be hooked. Different media allows people to focus well for specific amount of time. Third one, content. The selection of content is one of the trickiest part of creating an attention-grabbing e-learning course. Thankfully, the following three factors will keep you from derailing, like your audience, their why, your business why or objective. Considering these points will keep you identify what information is necessary to include and what is fluff. Keeping the fluff out is power. We guarantee confusion comes with fluff, and we don't have the opportunity to address attention when it does. And the last one, design. We used to think that the word design was merely about nice looking colors, creative fonts, and icons. In reality, applying sound design principles to your e-learning course is what brings everything together and what will help you create attention-grabbing designs. So good and attractive e-learning designs can make content easier to read and digest, direct a user's attention to the most important information, inform them on where they are and where they should go next, and cater to short attention spans. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. And visit my channel too often so that you can get the tips for jobs, interviews, e-learnings and other study materials, etc. Thank you.